Good day, my students. We are going to solve this problem here, and it is under a circle geometry. So this type of diagram here is called a cyclic quadrilateral. So why is it called a cyclic quadrilateral? It is because you have a quadrilateral in a cycle, and there are rules or theorems governing this type of shape. And the theorem is one, which is opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary, meaning this angle here and this angle here, if you add them up, it will give you 180. Then also the angle here and also the angle here, if you sum them up, you have 180. So now let's dive in, since you know the theorem. So here, as I've said earlier, this angle here, that's QPS, angle at P, plus QRS, angle at R, is equals to 180. And what's the reason? Opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. Then you come down, you write in the value of the angles. The first angle is X, the second angle is X plus Y, then equals to 180. Then what do you do next? You collect like term so that your variable will be at the left hand side and your constant value will be at the right hand side. So after that, you make either X subject of the formula or you make Y subject of the formula. But I made Y subject of the formula because the coefficient of Y here is 1. So it will be very easy for me to make it subject of the formula. So I'll have Y equals to 180 minus 2x. Also, as I've said earlier, if you look at the other angles here, you see that the angle here is 2y minus 30 and the angle here is x. So you add them up and you see they are equals to 180. Why? Because they are opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral. So you do the same thing. Your variables should be at the left hand side. Your constant value should be at the right hand side. So we have 2y plus x equals to 180 plus 30. So 180 plus 30 will give you 210. Then the other side here is 2y plus x equals to 210. Now here we've already made y subject of the formula. So you substitute in the value of your y in equation 2. So wherever you see y in equation 2, you put what? You put 180 minus 2x. So that's what we did here. 180 minus 2x, that's 2 open bracket 180 minus 2x plus x equals to 210. Then what do you do next? You expand the bracket. So 2 times 180, we have 360. Then 2 times minus x, you have minus 4x. Then plus x equals to 210. So we'll collect like term again. So here we have the constant value should be at the other side, and the constant value should be at the left hand side, and the variable should be at the right hand side. So you can make it this one at left, this one at whatever you feel like making it. So just collect like term. So 360 minus 210 will give you 150. Then this other side equals to 2x. Then you take the value of you divide both sides by 3, which is the coefficient of x. Then your x will be equals to 50. So please, if you understand the explanation, good and fine. And if you have any question, you can ask. And for those of you that are yet to make your payment, please do so that we'll start using board instead of CDs. I think that one will be more better, and I cannot do it without your cooperation. So thank you so much for joining the class, and I wish you best of luck. Bye bye.